Okay, my people, so we just get all the paperwork done and everything. And see, people, if you have the time, it's best to just come down here. 1 second, and get the paperwork them from them, because it's easier. Cause see, my print out the paperwork them online on the website where them tell me to print off, right? But them say never print off properly, and the paperwork what them give to also for apply back, just get back a Jamaican passport. It's way simpler than the paperwork online. So take that in notice too also. Alright, and otherwise from that you just need to fill up the paperwork them give. Bring your bird paper. You have to bring your original bird paper one, and you also have to bring your passport that you have to renew also, and you have to pay $106 for a money order or bank draft. That's how they take your payment. And the passport size picture guy is there already, so you can take the picture. He charged $25 to take the pictures and stuff. And otherwise from that's all you really need. Their documents, the Jamaican application, the 2 passport size picture, your Jamaican passport, the payment fee, and also your Jamaican birth certificates. And that's about it. Everything is simplified. It's not hard to do. You just bam bam badam bam, you get it, you done. But they say now it's gonna take 12 weeks for you to get it back though. So that again kind of harsh, but at least make sure I leave there everything was good. So in 12 weeks when we get that, we'll let you guys know, and we'll call it a day, right? So the end of the day, everybody, thanks again. If you like, what's up YouTube, good morning. Bless up to everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. People, kind of sleepy, because it's early morning, because today I'm going to show you guys how to get your Jamaican passport in Toronto. So yeah, my people, I stood down and wait till my paper, my passport will get expired for me like I idiot. You see it? No joke, yeah. I say, I'm not traveling and this and that. And then when you're not really traveling, you just throw down your passport them or your papers them, and you just load them up, and then boom, boom, boom. Come to the end of it, the part now when you really are going to need it for travel. You have to run and go do run out the renewal processing. But yeah, I'm just here to them people. We just like a rumble today, and you just come out for a drive with me, so I can show you how to get your Jamaican passport back. But you don't know my first stop at Tim Hortons, my people. Tim Hortons. Oh yeah, baby, we got it right in. Yeah, man. So we're gonna be going down on Eglinton today to go submit these documents. And for you to submit your documents to get your Jamaican passport, you need 2 photocopy picture of yourself, right? You need the application form, right? And you also need a copy of your birth paper, your Jamaican birth paper, birth certificate. And I think there's a next paper, but you know me, I eat that. I mean, I want a headache and stress. Me give them SIM number, driver license, my whole passport, PR card, every damn thing. Cause I just don't them say, oh, me not have this or that or this document. So me just show the book at them one time. So we're on our way downtown. It's not really downtown, it's on Eglinton, close to Young and Eglinton area. So if anybody get stuck or trapped in Toronto and them need to get their paper and they need to get them passport back, yeah, that's the route for go. Alright, so unless you get your Canadian citizenship and you don't need Jamaican passport, but nah, I still need my Jamaican passport. That's why Because when I go down for my Jamaican passport, it's just no stress. I no stress when you go down for your Canadian passport, but it's like you're Canadian, you know what I mean? Like, nah. I want to be special. I'm a Jamaican. Nah, give up my Jamaican for nothing. I don't care. Yeah, Canadian passport is way stronger. Yeah, can I get a small double? That's it. Yeah, Canadian passport is one of the strongest, like America. I think Britain is the more. I think England is the strongest though. Yeah, I think England, America, Canada, all one of the strongest passport. Don't get it twisted now. Although Jamaica passport is not that strong, they could still travel to 90, almost 100. What the hell's wrong with this person? Almost 100 countries. Yeah, visa free. So you could check it up yourself. I was on a website and that's why I know, you know what I mean? I never lied to you though. I will never lie to you.
Thank you, sir.
Malcolm.
Have a good day.
Alright.
Bye.
Yeah, I will never lie to you though, right? So they hold Jamaica passport still hold up to 98 countries, I believe, or 90 countries that you could travel visa free without no hassle, no headache, or no stress. Yeah. No joke. So it's all depends on what you want to do with your life, young people. Don't make nobody restrict you in Jamaica and tell you say you can't go here, or you can't go there, or you can't do this, or you can't do that. That's a lie. Jamaicans can go a lot of places compared to some other Caribbean countries where you really can't go nowhere. No matter how bad them say Jamaica is, or what going over Jamaica, or this and that with Jamaica, man, it's not as bad as it look. Like, you know what I mean? It's not as bad as it look. Cause Jamaica is not the one of the terriblest place on this earth. You know what I mean? So support your Jamaican passport, man. Push it out upon them, man. Take picture, man. Yeah, make returning resident. Want to go back home, man. Make people out there who want a Jamaican one go apply for your citizenship. Yeah, people say if you want to apply for your citizenship in Jamaica, I don't know the requirements, how long you have to live in Jamaica for, and all of them type of vibes. You know what I mean? So I'm not really sure still the requirement side of it to get in a Jamaican passport if you're not a Jamaican citizen. I see my friend, she went through it. Her parents are Jamaican, but she's not Jamaican. Oh no, it's gonna be too dark. Sorry. Her parents are Jamaican, but she's a born and raised Canadian, so she don't have to buy a property in Jamaica. So me that try to walk her through the right fields and stuff, but I think she just get fed up and she supply. So some of her pay for them and stuff like that, you know, but you don't know Jamaica name work already and slow. You know, Jamaica, you understand? So she submit all her documents and everything like that to get her Jamaican citizenship because she's trying to get a property over there. Yeah, so not everybody really wants to sit down here, so and stay here, so you understand? A lot. See, other people from different country want go to Jamaica, buy property, and then you have Jamaicans in Jamaica. Them not really. Some Jamaicans don't really care about Jamaica, and that some of them are the evil one. Them too not really care for the local island. And I'm gonna tell you something. The local island, they like them always say, you know, look about the Talawa, you know. At that, me couldn't know, you know, my people. Yeah, no joke. The local island there, you know, man. Everybody know Jamaica. Every country know Jamaica. You know, see, alright. See, from what here, you know, man. People, you know, see, so what really are going to Jamaica. You know, see, so everybody, if you get a bus off of YouTube, a Jamaica them reach. You never seen that? All them big YouTubers out there now, no, man. Most of them, you know, when them see them can't get up them content on them page, and them even got different countries. Them got the American Republic, then got Kenya, then got Africa, then got South America, then got America drive through and shit like that. At the end of the day, I will give them the most views. Jamaica. The most subscribers. Jamaica. Jamaican content. The people them look out for, you know. If you ever know that, you know. And I see so what some YouTubers them do, man. Them I use the Jamaican brand to the fullest, man. No joke. But you have some of them who really support the culture, you know, and some of them are just using the culture at the end of the day to get views. I don't wrong you though. I will never lie to you. If you have to use it, yeah, brother. Because the Jamaican them down there, them not use it. Yes, you have the 1-2 YouTubers them. But yeah, Jamaica can produce a lot more YouTubers at the end of the day, and then people don't really understand YouTube like that, you know. If you say YouTube is really a source of income from you get your content up. Yes, it's gonna be hard. Nothing is never easy in life at the end of the day. It's whatever you wanna do, right? So I'm not gonna tell you don't do a content. Whatever content you're pleased with or what you wanna do, you just make it work out for the best of your ability. You understand? So anybody out there who have a friend or family in Jamaica and them just do a daily life and this, man, tell them go on YouTube. But YouTube's not for everybody, because if you're not consistent like this, I'm not even consistent like that, because I put out two videos a week. I'm supposed to put out like 3-4 videos a week. If you watch watch all Diwanger, the Kenyan girl from Africa, right? If you've seen her content blew up in Jamaica. You gotta respect them now. You understand? Because YouTube is very hard, and she posts a video every single day. You don't hard it is to post a video every single day, but then their video is different. They can do it because the media Jamaica I can do that too. You know what I mean? Because it don't take me nothing for this guy one place and show it off. Talk to some people here and there and show off the culture. It takes you nothing to do that. You understand me? I try to say you could be in your own community and do that. Okay, if you come from Central Village, say that. Then you could go to Big Lane, Local Lane, Zina Lane, Zambia. Well, I used to go to school in White Mall, West Hill, or something like that. Them call it. I don't remember. But White Mall out of Compound and Chinatown. Yeah, man. So you could do so much videos. You could go across the river. You could go fishing videos. Alright, so you from Mineral then. Say that then. You know what I mean? You could just go at the Mineral every day. Go catch fish. Show off the lifestyle if people want to come on Mineral and stuff like that. You go hunting. The Mineral is big. Okay, say that then. You're from uptown then. And you're not really steering or ghetto or stuff like that. Say that. If you have money, you just drive out to the nicer beaches and stuff like that, you know, Bob Marley Beach, Reggae Falls, Hot Tub, you know what I mean, Puerto Rico, you know what I mean, Frenchman. You could just drive around and make content. Alright then, so you don't want to do that then, alright then, you go so bam then. You pick up yourself, like, okay, you know, that's why I give this guy respect, you know, DJ Swickets. I want you guys to go over his page, check him out. You know, it's a fella YouTuber just like me. I'm a bigger YouTuber than me though, you know, never tell a lie. But the youth and the man just do him thing and the man just humble. Yeah, I see man Christmas list, big up Chris. Chris make it happen for a lot of YouTubers too at the end of the day, and help you a lot of youth. See him way now he's in Belize. You gotta big that guy up same way. Man never show a bad man blood in his body. To me, you understand? So I talked to them one time. Kino life in Jamaica too. The same thing. Never tell a lie. You know, Kino is just taking YouTube serious. You know what I mean? No, so him can make a little money. You know, man is on his way to 50K. You know, you think that's 50K is easy? No. 50K on YouTube is not no joke. So, and again, people, Kino life in Jamaica. When you check out his page, you know what I mean? Go subscribe. Cause the youth do wonderful things for Trenchtown or just Jamaica in particularly. Because man, I support the culture at the end of the day and I give back. You know, understand? And I like the youth is rich. Man, I probably even have a car. You understand? So, I don't like the man rich or anything like that. The man just get the donation and then support the people and back. Build up back the house them. You have to build up. Me I watch him from Jin days. You got to big up Wow Chef. Whoa! I really Wow Chef make me. No, I never really Wow Chef, you know, because when Kino with the Randy them and I do Jamaica good life without watching from them too, you know. And then my stepfather always come to me and say, watch every time you go to Jamaica, why you not do YouTube? Remember the people, I used to do YouTube 10 years ago, 11 years ago. I'll grind my gears. I can show you some of my clips. I used to get lots of views on them. But it's not like this vlogging thing. Vlogging thing is very different, guys. Vlogging thing more personal. And then if you don't really have a topic, if you really coincide with the people, you don't get no views. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, you just have to mind what kind of topic you do, or oh, you want to start out with this YouTube thing, cause you be dropping videos after videos after videos after videos after videos after videos, and you're not getting no views. You get 100 on 200 on 300 views, and then when you look at them type of vibes, it really show you, it just make you get more pissed off, you know what I mean? Like, you're like, why am I even doing this, because I'm not getting no views? But again, and I'm at somebody, they're going to tell you, oh, just be consistent, man. But if what you're doing is not working, why you going to tell me to be consistent? So consistent for something not work? You understand me? I try with some people, so then time you just let it go, yeah, man. So people just do what you feel to do, yeah, man. Because YouTube thing is no joke, you know, my people. And I like, you can't just jump on YouTube and think you'll get a 1,000 subscriber overnight or 100,000 views overnight. No, it never work like that. You understand? So a lot of people face it and fight it. And when it start work out for you, it start work out for you. Look how much videos I drop. I'm missing 300 views, 400 views. What can I do about it? I just say, you know what? Me just a drop content. When it work out, it work out. You know what, people? About 6:30 minutes me a drive. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt. I'm not gonna allow the noise there for owner today. Nope. I understand? So, yeah, my people. So we're out here getting this passport up again. Somebody in the comment I go probably ask. So come in get, why you have Jamaican, why you not get your Canadian passport? I will update you guys on the Canadian passport thing down the line. And yeah, but that's down the line reasoning. That's enough for today. Oh, why you not get a citizenship, or why you not do that? So like I said, that's down the line reasoning. And I will never lie to you. All that stuff will come. But sometimes your life gotta be private too, right? So, and everything we can give you now. When we reach over 10,000 subscribers, we do some more serious video around my lifestyle. You understand? The page is me, 4016876 Jamaica. It's my lifestyle, you know. I'll never lie to you now. You know, so I know like oh yeah, bro, and like we're perfect. Nobody's not perfect in life. You understand my people? So and just go by and way and just live how you want to live. You know what I mean? Nobody's perfect in life. Man, woman, child. Oh, childs are perfect because they don't know what they do. You understand? Once a man that 8 or whatever, I don't think they know. When they probably 11, 12, they start get corrupt. Yeah, no joke, right? But yeah, my people. So we're on our way to get this Jamaican passport come tell us, so we have to go back a yard very, 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 very soon. I don't know how long this passport I got take, but we're there at the winter truck anyway, so and I like we can't leave. Yeah, I could just say, you know what, I'm just finished with the contract and cut though, but like nah, we need more money. To tile out a place in Jamaica, and my people, for tile out a 3-bedroom place in Jamaica is no joke. Yeah, man, it's no joke to tile out a 3-bedroom place in Jamaica. Plus living rooms, 3 bathroom. Holy. The tiling alone, just to probably buy the tiles, gonna run you $1 million Jamaican. I will never lie to you. It's very expensive in Jamaica. That's like $10,000 Canadian, $1 million Jamaican, right? So we have to find that money there somewhere, somehow, my people. And I just look a bit of YouTube money. Can't fulfill them tiles there, and no joke. So I feel look for other means and ways, or gotta just use all the savings my Father God bless me with, and just get it done. But I'm gonna get it done. At the end of the day, that's the dream, that's the goal for this year. But like yo, save up all that money, man. It's no joke. But we did it before. So why can't we do it again? You know what I mean? Like, and other people out there. And the thing, housing thing is just easy in Jamaica. Sometimes when you see some people build them house, them really try hard. Because remember, every little dollar these people get, it's towards the property, you know. But yeah, it's towards the property. It's not towards them. Sometimes I see some people and every dollar where them get, I just the house them a talk about, yo, me know so me have to go buy one faucet. You know so me have to go buy one doorknob or something pertaining the outside of it. Yeah. And to build house is not cheap. It's not cheap, none at all. Like me tell you already, we break it down already for build one bedroom house. Costs like 80 grand Canadian. Yeah, and that's without buying land and everything, bro. And that's just one bedroom house right now, cause the cost of it, everything just gone up. You know what I mean? Like the economy way just gone all the way up. So one sheet of plywood right now. When me I buy plywood in COVID time, all 6,500. But I think all 8 grand you were getting a plywood for 9 grand. Yeah, I get plywood for. No, the plywood. Oh damn, they took down the factories that was over here. Yes, my people on Eglinton right now. So and thing. I'm going to turn the camera very soon and go and talk to you, so can see which part we are go. Yeah. So yeah, like what I was saying. Yeah, so if you build house, but like I said, the plywood right now, one sheet of plywood about 6 grand, 5,500 some places 7 grand same way. Right? So at the end of the day, all these stuff adds up. And then see when you return, like when you're foreign people, bro, it's just very, 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 very harder. Like just to build in Jamaica, period, because you're not there. And people take advantage of that situation. Like when me down there, the workman them tell me so them first supposed to work from 9 to 5, right? Full day I work that, right? Sometimes the man them show up at 12 o'clock. Cause me and people up there inform me and tell me and say, yo Jay, you know, say about 12 o'clock, the whole of them show up yesterday and then they leave about 4 o'clock and then them tell us they give one full day of work. And them stuff this deprive people from wanting to ever invest or build in Jamaica, because a lot of people get robbed up millions of dollars in labor type of work when the labor man just a thief the people them money. The mason man them are the contractor just a thief the people them money. You understand? And remember the money not grow up on tree over here saying, and I like, we can't just get up and find $100,000, you know how hard it is for somebody for work and save $100,000 because them say, oh, okay, that person, the employee, they make $100,000 a year. Yeah, we might take home, because when them bills and taxes slap in your face, what you take home now, that are the outcome. See, a man can work in job and make $50,000 and still have more money than the man who make $100,000. Because it depends on how you save your money. Depends on what you invest in. Depends on the lifestyle where you live. So the man who live in $50,000 work life, he not go try out prove and go on like him have this and need that and need this and do this and do that and buy the biggest car. No, but you have some of them that they do that though. So what am I even saying? But I'm not like that. I'll never tell a lie. Yeah, I was probably arrogant and stupid back one at the time then. But at the end of the day, this is life. We're supposed to go through shit like that, you know what I mean? People, so sometimes people don't beat up yourself too hard. Sometimes everybody make mistake at the end of the day. You know, this is life. This is what it's called life. It's a journey. You understand? So don't make nobody out there tell you can't do this or you can't do that, or you're an idiot, or you messed up with life, or no, everybody go through for them phase in life and everybody try to make it work same way, because the older you get, you start get smart up and then you start redeem yourself and be like, oh damn, you know, some really do them things there. And then if you can't look in at yourself as a man, bro, you're still a kid, you know. You're still a kid or you're still a daughter then, you know, you're still a child. If you can't really look and say, you know, say I was wrong for doing this or I'm wrong for doing this, or you know, I take my stand from right here, so because I'm not gonna make it jeopardize me. You know, never tell a lie. You know what I mean, people? So that's where we reach right now. So like some people, if you can't go to Jamaica, man, and like Jamaica is gonna be a paradise, and I wish them couldn't get one of them designer youth, one of them architect there out of Dubai, because Dubai has a thing named the Line Project, them have the Mountain Project, them have the Waterfront Project. Come on, Jamaica is in the center, bro. Like Jamaica can be so, Jamaica Blue Mountain. You know what can, you know, it could be like big resort out of Upper Blue Mountain, you know, man. I mean, I talk futuristic type, you know. Call it the Blue Mountain Resort or something. You understand? Like, yes, Jamaica have the capability to do all of them stuff. I think they're going to do it because just like Dubai, Jamaica is more moving, focusing 100% more and tourism because they know what's gonna happen. You know what I mean? Like Jamaica don't have no real resorts like that. Resource says from backside thing had fade out. That was the capital. The sugar cane thing had fade out. You understand? And the rum them and you could still look farmer produce them and it still not hit like that. Agriculture and stuff like that. It not hit like that. A tourism a hit, bro. And they know that. And what you think they might try for fight panic crime? It's not because of election and stuff. If Jamaica doom with tourism, Jamaica doom, period. I'm being dead honest with you. I even turn back the camera. Like I said, if Jamaica doom in tourism, Jamaica is just gonna be doomed. I got no more profit now coming to Jamaica. If Airbnb done or the people who have built up all them house and them apartment and stuff like that, we are rent out. The people who come on vacation, we are bless the restaurant them, I buy the clothes them, support the party them. If you don't have them people in Jamaica, Jamaica is doomed. The airport, probably them shut down all one of them and do one international airport. Because if nobody not flying to Jamaica, what's the purpose of even having an airport? So these are the things they have to look upon properly and strategically. Make it sure say it work. Because if you don't make it work, Jamaica will be doomed. Because no money now coming out of the country. You can't have a country and no money now come in. Right? And Dubai see that was going to happen to them. Right? But you see, me, I would never live in Dubai. I mean, not even want to go to Dubai, period, you know. Because Dubai is strict. Not even weed or liquor, them want to. Yeah, you got the black market people where you can buy your alcohol them from. I think them, cause a lot of parties happen over Dubai, but I think only international people, like if we go over there, we're allowed to drink and you can't really buy alcohol from the stores and stuff like that. I would have to really ask somebody who's been to Dubai still, you know, to really see how it works. But from what I read and see on YouTube, I don't think me want to go to Dubai, go stay a day. Probably go stay a day because I want to explore the over by the desert area and the desert by go right to Camel and never lie to you, you know what I mean? So right now people do right now we are at Eglinton and Don Mills area and we got a couple more probably a couple more minutes of driving to reach the Jamaican embassy. It's embassy. You could type it in. But one thing with the Jamaican embassy, you know, my people, they only open certain days for one, and them close by 12 o'clock. So you tell me now, why is that? Why is that? And I like them now make money. Yeah, man, they have to be making money too. This Jamaica is a consulate for Canada, in Canada. Like, come on, man. Don't joke with me now. What's going on here? Why is everything moving faster than me? Oh wow, these buildings are getting bigger around here. Yeah, this place looking nice around here too. Let's show you people. If you guys want to come walk out this area, you guys just let me know. Over here used to be the ghetto. I can't remember Flamingo Park or I can't remember. But Don Mills and Eglinton, over that area right there. So them have the old building and stuff over here. So I can't remember the name them gates still. Well, it used to be a bad area back in the days. Alright, so Don Mills and Eglinton area. Yeah, I can't remember now. See them have a big superstore also over there. And yeah, Toronto is not a bad place to live in, my people. But like, and I like my heart take the place to live here. Like my heart take Jamaica, you understand? And like I said, summertime I no need to leave Toronto. Toronto is one of the best in the summertime. I'll never lie to you. From you have money in the summertime, my people, you can just do whatever you want to do. You don't need to leave Toronto in the summertime from you have money. Everything's expensive, you know, but they have a lot of concerts, a lot of events, a lot of private events, and in summertime you can just do it. You can just go to the beach, you can go jerk some jerk chicken. You know what I mean? You got to park by yourself if you want to, you know what I mean? Bring your igloo, bring your tent, and you can just vibe out right over by the park. Bring your music player, bring your blanket, your sheets, and vibe out just like if you're in Jamaica. Like, you don't need to really leave the country. You have Caribana, you have Soca Fets, you have a lot of stuff. And if you really want to explore Canada now, just do that nice summertime. I'm going to do that show now too. I might go back and do some tractor trailer just to show you guys. And anybody who really want to get in trucking can link me up still, because I'm going to post some trucking videos of how to get in trucking in Canada. So any Jamaican or Caribbean people, or even people who have been living in Canada and don't know if you get your trucking license and want to invest in that side, yeah man, just link me, man, because like I said, you can just have your trucking license, my people. You don't have to even drive a truck or care for it, but you just have the license, because any day something go wrong or you want to make some extra cash 1 year or whatever, from you have the license, my people, you're good with life. You understand? I have a license called the ACZ. That license now pertain, I can drive anything on the street. I used to drive TTC buses, I used to drive tour buses, I used to drive tractor trailer, I used to drive salt truck back in. I still have the salt truck, plow truck, dump truck, all that stuff, you know what I mean? So I drive everything that's on the road still. TTC bus, them easy to drive. Used to drive school buses for a little bit. Everything that I train on, you understand me? I drive for some people. So then at the day, I get up to go learn this stuff, and no, don't sit down there and say, oh, you know, work out for me and me can't do this or me can't do that, or Father God no love you, or Father God not bless you like how bless somebody else. No, that's somebody else. Get up and go make it work for themselves. You think Father God go bless it just like that because you pray and ask for it? No. If you not fight for it, you not get nothing, brothers and sisters here. You have to fight for it. Life is not easy. Life is not easy. Yeah, some people grow in money, born in money, born in wealth. That's like probably 5% of the world. What about the next 95% of people out here? You understand? We never born in no wealth with people. And we have to fight it. We have to try to make. These are the new trains they're making in Toronto. They've been working on this Eglinton line since the day from a problem coming to Canada, my people. Because it was more on the west side back then. Not 7. From a forward Canada means them do them type of this real line. This project's been going on for the last probably 15 or so years. Yeah. 15 or so years them been working on that project. So look like it's coming to a dead end now, and I'm gonna finish up by next year. So I wish if them could incorporate something like this in Jamaica, you know, and use what the old rail trail train tracks them in Jamaica, but them need to get some nicer equipments like these. But I think it can work still, because if them can make that work back out and run it back from St. Thomas to Westmoreland to Negril, so one side of the country to one side of the country, I think that would be great. And then probably if them could have all 5 of them are run a daytime, or even 10 of them are run a daytime, so 10 trips for the day with different trains, I think that would be great still, because a lot of traveling people, and them stopping at 14 parishes, they might probably have a station in each parishes where you know say it stop right there, so they might just have to make a bus stational routes, so people come off right there, so them can just jump on a bus and boom boom boom. Them don't have to build no underground. They can just build an above ground what them have right now, and then build when they do underground and build the bridge. Yeah, it's gonna be costly like everything else in Jamaica is, but I think that would have helped the nation and really push Jamaica more to a first world country type of vibe, you understand? Because Jamaica will be big enough, my people. No joking, so all of them people are down there, it's like demons in them. We are trying to destroy. I thought the people more try to destroy Jamaica. I thought the one them over there we are trying to make it work. You understand? Because a lot of people, a lot of spiritual energy out there trying to make Jamaica work, you know, my people. How much prayer people are praying. But a lot of people want to go back home. A lot of people want to go back home, my people. Like, it's not no joke. From the crime rate drop of Jamaica, everything nice. Everything nice. So right now, people, we're on our way to go get our Jamaican passport, and everybody who's been tuning in, if it's the first time you're watching one of my vlog, one of my videos, one of my content, thank you. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit up the subscribe, so hit it up. We're trying to go to 10,000. When we reach 10,000, I'm going to come up with some merchandise. We already made them. I made the merchandise like 10 years ago also. Yeah, I'm one of those person weird. We made that like 10 years ago. I used to do t-shirt printing, so probably going to start that business back up, because with the content I have the lifestyle in the 6 t-shirts. We're gonna be available very soon when we hit 10,000 subscribers though. And we're gonna also have the 416 to 876 Jamaica t-shirts. And then I think we created a next one called Blood Clot 416. Yes, Jamaican bad word, but it's not. It's whatever how you want to phrase it, but it's just our reputation, and we just created that back in the days too, you know. And I don't want to see them go to waste, so we're gonna reproduce those shirts. We're gonna print them and stuff. So anybody want to give me a support and buy a one shirt, I think with the shirts they're gonna go for like $25 per piece. Yeah, they're gonna go for $25 per piece, and that's not too bad, you know what I mean? You probably have to pay for your own shipping because that's gonna be too much on us to buy the shirt, print them, and you know what I mean? It's gonna be a little bit of money. So that's the next business. But right now, people, we're almost close to the embassy. It's more closer to the parliament and Eglinton. Let me check it out. Crap. Okay. Let's check out where it is, my people. Jamaican. So right now, my people, we're 4 minutes away.
Head west on Eglinton Avenue East toward Sutherland Drive.
We're 4 minutes away to the embassy. I just want to show you guys the embassy, then we just turn off the video, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you the process of what happened in there, how long I stay, and all that stuff. All right, my peeps. So everybody, again, just thanks again for everybody who likes, share, and support, just to support the channel at the end of the day. Cause you see, we're not out here trying to make mischief, trying to fight, trying to argue, trying to have bad blood, bad energy with nobody out here. We just get up, we go do what we gotta do. And I see same thing when we there at Jamaica, my people. We get up, we go do what we have to do. Like, we're not trying to make nothing, you know. We're not making nothing worried this year. It's all positivity, no negativity. Been fighting that, you know. See, from I came back from Mexico, I've been telling you guys that it's all positivity, you know what I mean? Never lie to you, you know. So right now we're reaching, I think this is Bayview and Eglinton area, so we have to pass Bayview to my people and still go down and look a bit. Them still have, you know how long them have fix up over here, so them been fixing up this area a long time too. But Jaja, it's just a building phase the country I go through. Same thing with Jamaica, you know. The amount of high rise and big buildings that I see going up, it's no joke over there, my people. No joke at all. So if you have the money, please just go buy a piece of land in Jamaica and make it work out. Like I said, you don't have to live there, you don't have to do nothing, just buy it and leave it alone. Call it a day. But also, my people, I'm gonna try start doing the clamping thing. They call it clamping. It's camping, but they call it clamping because you stay on people's residence and stuff like that, and you rent them a tent, and probably, I don't know if they give them a bed. Oh, my gas is gonna be empty. Damn, I didn't even see that though. Sheesh. Hopefully I could get gas soon. I gotta get gas, people. Yeah, I see you. Okay, I'll get gas soon. Don't worry about it. I don't see no gas station. I don't got money like that for driving this car no more. This car is gonna break my pockets. But people, you drive what you want to drive. But yeah, we're gonna start out this clamping thing next year also. Turn the camera on me. We're gonna start this clamping thing also, but they might have to use the washrooms inside because people have to bathe and thing, and I don't know how long some people want to stay there for, and they just want something cheap, you understand? Can rent them for like $20, $25 US a night. Yeah, I think that's fair. And plus they use on a bathroom and stuff like that. I think $25, $30 is fair. That's quite cheap. Plus we have a river there very close by. You could just walk there. And I would probably next year
In 300 meters, turn left onto Falcon Street.
Turn left on Falcon Street. Really? Where is it? Can't remember. People haven't been to the Jamaican embassy in over 10 years. Because remember, 10 years your passport expire and stuff like that. So more time you're not even like, worry about it, right? But when push to come time again, you know you're worried about it because you want to get it out of the way, right? So that's just it, people. I don't know where Falcon Street is. That's not that one. Is a second street coming up. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the place, and after that, we'll go inside, see what the procedure is like, and I'll never lie to you. I'll let you guys know. Okay, yeah, here's the Jamaican embassy. All right,
Take the
people.
next left onto Falcon Street, then your
So
destination will be on the right.
Is the Jamaican embassy right here. You can see the Jamaican flag. Yeah, this is the building. I'm gonna see if I could park up right behind this guy for a quick section. Hopefully I don't
Your
get no
destination
ticket,
is on the right.
because this place is a ticket place, you know, my people. Like, them know that them are doing them a building place, you know. Cause there's no parking here for nobody. Let me see if I could drive them, because there's no parking. Like, this one I reason I usually used to take bus come down here, because you could never get a parking spot. Look, you cannot get a parking spot, man. And then the parking spot are gonna be probably too far now for me walk in at the school. Like, okay, let's you know what, we could park right here. Like, there's a fire thing there. See, again, to people, you can't park too close to the fire the water thing. I can't remember what them call them, but you can't park too close to these. Let me drink off this coffee because I don't want to come back in on the cold. So yes, my people, I have to go inside, go take the two photocopy pictures, finish sign up the paperwork properly, make them go over it, because I don't want no mistake on this paperwork, because we need this passport ASAP, because we got to leave. We got to get back this traveling thing in us very, very soon, you understand? We got to go back home, my people. We got to make the dream house work, man. It's not easy. We have to make it work. If we not make it work, nobody else not going to make it work, you know. You understand? Nobody not gonna make it work if you don't make it work, you know. Some people may go cut out the video right now. Soon come back. I go show now walk up when we're walking up to there, so you guys could see it. Cool? Peace. Yes, so people, so right now we're walking up to the Jamaican embassy. Here's the Jamaican flag above us right here, and we're gonna go inside right now, get this paperwork done. So go on, see if I could do a big video shot. Walking up to the entrance, and this is the timing. All applicants allowed. Alright. Yes, people, so it didn't work out. We wanted it to work out. They send me back number documents them and give me one next documents for full out. So them said the website never print off the documents them properly. So they have to give me for them recommendation documents. One. Two, it's gonna cost $106 Canadian to renew it. And that's so far Mead Park, man. And three, you have to give them, they don't take cash or anything like that, so you have to get a money order or a bank draft. So now I'm around trying to get them things there because I'm already here. She's like, go do it online. We did try to do it online. Never work out, right? So we're already here. So that's one thing. The next thing also too, you gotta, this is gonna take 12 weeks. Almost 12 weeks to just get, if you got Jamaica, you get back your passport in 1 day, you know. So I might have to go do that, but I ain't on a rush right now, yeah, man. So it's all good. When it come in, it come in. That. So let's go get these paperwork done and make you know how the process go. Bless up. Okay, my people, so we just get all the paperwork done and everything. And see, people, if you have the time, it's best to just come down here. 1 second, and get the paperwork them from them, because it's easier. Cause see, my print out the paperwork them online on the website where them tell me to print off, right? But them say never print off properly, and the paperwork what them give to also if apply back, just get back a Jamaican passport. It's way simpler than the paperwork online. So take that in notice too also. Alright, and otherwise from that you just need to fill up the paperwork them give. Bring your bird paper. You have to bring your original bird paper one. And you also have to bring your passport that you have to renew also, and you have to pay $106 for a money order or bank draft. That's how they take your payment. And the passport size picture guy is there already, so you can take the picture. He charged $25 to take the pictures and stuff. And otherwise from that, that's all you really need. Their documents, the Jamaican application, the 2 passport size picture, your Jamaican passport, the payment fee, and also your Jamaican birth certificates. And that's about it. It's everything simplified. It's not hard to do. You just bam bam badam bam, you get it, you done. But they say now it's gonna take 12 weeks for you to get it back though. So that again kind of harsh, but at least make sure I leave there everything was good. So in 12 weeks when we get that, we'll let you guys know and we'll call it a day, right? So the end of the day, everybody, thanks again. If you like, share, subscribe to the channel, and just bless upon yourself, you know. Just bless upon yourself. Just push out the videos then for my people. Like I said, when I reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go more live with you guys and also try to push the merch out. Alright, so everybody, hopefully this video was informative and it helps someone, and someone who can get some joke and happy with some of the things that we talk about, because you don't know, talk we are talk, right? So at the end of the day, thanks again everybody for liking up the 416 channel. Thanks again, bless upon yourself. Alright, so like, share, subscribe. Your boy Jay is out.